daghan-daghan jud tag i-discuss class kay next meeting mo adto mig UP Cebu. So naa may event. Okay. So we're done with sequence. So now we will discuss about series. So ideally class this even is a series nga nato atong nahibaw-an now, but we're more focused on the convergent and divergent of the series. Okay, but before we will start the series, we consider the summation. So if we have of this form, so a sub n, this is the formula of the terms, and then n equals 1, this is the index of summation. So meaning ana class, ana siya mag-start no when n is 1. So if ato ni siya i-expand, so we have uh, a sub n, where n equals 1 to k. Okay? So, ang meaning ana is mag-start ta sa n equals 1. So, kaning n nga naa diri sa summation, which is the a sub n. So, ilisan na to og 1. So, we have a sub 1. Okay, so since summation man is so plus, for the next term, we have a sub 2 plus, we have a sub 3, and so on. Okay, pwede sa naman din siya katapusan, no? So, kani siya class, if k gani ang nani siya variable. So, meaning, finite na ang series. Okay? So, this is a sub k. But if we have given like n equals 1 to infinity, so this is an infinite series. So, we have a sub 1 plus a sub 2 plus a sub 3. And then we have like a sub k plus, so wala siya katapusan since this is infinite. Okay? So, kamo na lang basa niha sa mga, we have the starting index in which mounting 1, and then the last index we have k, and then the formula of the term, so this is the a sub n. Okay? So, we have the property of summation. So, ideally, if you have C a sub n, so more siya og property sa integral. Kay ideally class, ang integral, kanon siya sa sum. Okay? So, ang C, if you have a constant C here, so pwede rin na nato mapagawas ang C. And then we have the summation of a sub n from n equals 0 to infinity. And then if you have a sum, so for this, so pwede na to siya makombine given nga the same siya o index. So if ever n equals 1 ganin ni class na dire 0, so dili na nimo makombine. Okay ha? So dapat the same siya og starting og ang iyahang diri ang ending point of the index. Next, we have the product. So, lahi ang sa product. So, dili siya A sub n, B sub n diretso. So, naa siya property nga i-apply. Actually, kani nga kuan class, mas more gamit ni siya sa math. Okay, if ever nga mag-thesis na siya, no? And then, we have the index shifting. So, unsa may meaning ana, no? So, actually, class, pwede ta maka-move o index. Pero, kung mag-substitute ka sa index class, the same ra ang result. Okay? So, naam na siya time. So, like example, katong ganiha nga property, dili ka combine sa sum if dili siya the same o index nga nag-start up to the last. Okay? So, ang buhaton na like example, ang first part, we have n equals 0 to infinity. And then the second part is n equals 1 to the infinity. And then we need to combine. So, dapat, ato nang himuong ang n equals like 1, ato siyang i-index shift, no? From n equals 0 to infinity. Okay, so, ideally, mostly magamit ni siya sa BS Math. So, munang So we have the sum of n plus 5 over 2 to the n. So n equals 2 to the infinity. So we have n plus 5 all over. So 2 to the n. N is equals 2 to infinity. Okay? So if we expand this one, so we have when n is 2, so nag-start ta sa 2. So we have 2 plus 5, so this is 7 all over. So 2 squared, we have 4 plus when n is 3, so this is when n is 2. When n is 3, so n is 3, we have 8. And then 2 cubed, so this is 8 plus, so when n is 4, so we have 9 over 2 to the 4th, we have 16 plus when n is 5, so we have 10 over 32 and so on. Okay, so atong goal, so mag-index shifting ta nga mag-start ta og n is equals to 1 to infinity. Okay, so ang buhaton ana class, ang affected sa pag-change sa index is this formula. So ato na siyang usbon nga even nga nag-change ta og index, the same gihapon ang result nga kani 7 over 4, 8 over 8, 9 over 16, 10 over 32. So dili affected ang result even nga nag-change ta og index. Okay, so unsaon man ni siya no? So if mag-observe mo ani class, we have n equals 2. Okay? And then, ang atong goal, we have n is equal to 1. So, nag-decrease ta og isa ka n. So, unsa may ma-effect ani? So, kung nag-decrease tag isa, mag-add ta sa n og isa. So, mura siya minus plus. Okay? Nag-decrease ta og 1 sa n, sa index. So, mag-increase ta og 1 sa formula. So, ang buhaton ana class, Cn ang affected. So, we have n plus 1 plus 5 all over 2 to the n plus 1. So, in ani ang technique. So, let's try to expand. So, when n is 1, so we have 1 plus 1, so we have 2 plus 5, so this is 7 over. So, 2 to the power of 1 plus 1, so this is 4. Okay? When n is 2, so we have 2 plus 1, so this is 3 plus 5, so we have 8 over, so this is 2 to the power of 2 plus 1, so this is 8. So, the same ra na siya og result. So, meaning, ang ato rang gi-move is the index. Okay, so we have 32. So, maunay goal sa index shifting. So, the result is the same. So, ato lang gi-move ang index. Okay? And then, of course, naging na siya changes sa formula para mo align ra gihapon sa this one. Okay? So, another example. So, wala tayo practice karon ha. Kay, need ta nga magdali. Kay, next meeting, di ra ko mo-meet. Okay, so we have the summation of n equals 3 to infinity. And then we have 4 minus n all over n plus 1. Okay? So, ang atong goal, no? So, dapat mag-start ta sa n equals 1 to infinity. So, since duha ang atong decrease sa index, so mag-add sa n og 2. So, we have 4 minus, so this is n plus 2 all over, so n plus 2 plus 1. Or kung ato ni siyang i-simplify, we have 2 minus n all over n plus 3, where n is equals to 1 to infinity. So, kung imo na i-check, no, imo na expand ang kani of this one, so the same ra na siya. So, yung ana ra siya ang index shifting. Pero kung moabot na gina siya, like, na siya time, pero more on BS Math ni siya class. Like, from negative infinity to negative 1. So, amo ni siyang index shifting na mo-start na siya og like, i-k lang rin na to. So, k equals 1 to infinity. So, ideally for this kay more on trial and error ni siya kay kani kay dali ra man ni pagkita no kay decrease ra kag 2, increase ra kag 2 sa formula, but this one so dili siya ingana kadali. So it's more on trial and error if naa siya mga ingani nga formula. Okay? So partial fraction. So ideally no naana ni sa ato ang integral calculus way back calculus 2. So we apply this partial fraction for the integral. No? So this is one of the technique in solving integral. But now, we can apply the partial fraction in the series. Okay? So, this one, so dili na ako i-explain ang kaning we add to formulas kay actually ananin sa to ang calculus 2 kay daghan pa kita giapas. Okay? So ang atong goal anin no. So if we have a sum for this one. So ang atong goal is ang partial fraction ingani siya og 4. Okay? So this is the formula for the pattern for the partial fraction. So if we have, so di lang ako ni-explain. So kamo na lang study ani. So recap ani. Okay? So mo pantag example. So we determine the partial fraction decomposition of each of the following. So we have 8x minus 2 all over x squared plus 3x minus 18. Okay? So first, ang atong buhaton is we factor out. So we have x plus 6 times x minus 3. And then, so we form this into partial fraction. So we have a over x plus 6 and then plus b over x minus 3. And then we solve for a and b. Okay, so we have 8x minus 2 over x plus 6 times x minus 3. Okay, so we have this is a over x plus 6 plus b over x minus 3. So we multiply. So with its LCD, we have x plus 6 times x minus 3. So we have 8x minus 2. So this is a times x minus 3 plus b times x plus 6. Okay? And then we apply sa katong first technique. So duha ni siya ka technique. So katong mag-comparison mo or mag-set mo og x. Okay? So ang ato lang gamiton diri we set for x. So when x is 3, so we have 22 is equal to 0a, and then here we have 9b. So b is 22 over 9, and then we have when x is negative 6, so we have 8 times negative 6 is negative 48, so we have negative 50, which is this is negative 9a. Okay, and then a is 50 over 9. So we substitute, we have a is 50 over 9 times x plus 6, and then our b here is positive, so we have 22 over 9 times x minus 3. Okay, so this is the goal for the partial fraction decomposition. Okay, so please go picture. Done? Hello? Okay na?
Okay na, ma'am. Okay, miss.
Okay. So we will move. So This is the definition of an infinite series. So ideally, no, nanon siya sa inyong high school. But it's more on focus ta sa convergence or divergence. So from the definition, if U sub n is a sequence, so ang infinite series is just the sum of the U sub n. Okay, and then S sub n. So kaning S sub n, this is a sequence of partial sum. So meaning ani class, if we are given U sub n, okay? So mangita tag generalized formula para sa kaning series in which mauning S sub n. So lahi ni si S sub n ni U sub n. So mura ni siya og S sub n is the summation of U sub n equals 1 to infinity. Okay? So, ato pa ning pangitaon class. So, ato ning ang atong buhaton ani is mag-generalize ta sa series nga naa siya formula. Okay? So, for example, so we have 1 over 2 to the n minus 1. So, this is the sequence. So, ang ma-form na to nga series ani, we have the sequence 1 over 2 to the n minus 1. So, kung ato ni expand ang kaning sequence, so we have when n is 1, so this is 1 minus 1, 0. So, this is 1. And then we have 1 half, 1 fourth, 1 eighth, 1 over 2 to the n minus 1. And then we have, so this is, and so on. So, this is the sequence. So, now, for the series, so we have S sub 1. So, ang S sub 1, so this is equal to 1. Ang S sub 2, it's the sum of the first and the second term. S sub 3, this is the sum of the first, second, and third. So, we have 1 plus 1 half plus 1 fourth. And then we have S sub 4. So, we have 1 plus 1 half plus 1 fourth plus 1 eighth. Okay? Up to, so we have S sub n. So, this is 1 plus 1 half plus 1 fourth plus 1 over 8 plus, so kutob siya sa 1 over 2 to the n minus 1. So, kani class, mauni ang partial sum. So, from the word partial, so, wala na to gikuha up to infinity. Kaya wala siya katapusan. So, kutob rata sa given nga formula which is 1 over 2 to the n minus 1. Okay? So, another, so, given the infinite series, so this is the U sub n. Okay? So, we have S sub n. So, this is U sub n, where n equals 1 to infinity. So, this is equal to 1 over n times n plus 1. So, we have n equals 1 to infinity. Okay? So, first, we have the S sub 1. So, for the S sub 1, so this is equal to U sub 1. So, unsa man ni ang U sub 1? So, ang U sub 1, so ato na i-substitute. So, we have 1 over, so 1 times 1 plus 1, so we have 1 half. Okay? S sub 2, this is U sub 1 plus U sub 2. Okay? Or, we can use the, ay, ato sa may balik. Okay, so this is equal to U sub 1, this is S sub 1 plus U sub 2. So we have 1 half plus, ang U sub 2 na to diri is 1 over, this is 2 times 3. So if magamit tag LCD, this is 6. So 3 plus 1, so we have 4. So this is equal to 2/3. Okay? for S sub 3, so this is U sub 1 plus U sub 2 plus U sub 3. Or we can write it, so kani U sub 1 plus U sub 2, this is S sub 2 plus U sub 3. Okay? Our S sub 2, this is 2/3 plus ang U sub 3. So we let n be equal to 3. So we have 1 over 3 times 4. So we apply the LCD. This is 12. So 12 divided 3 is 4 times 2. So we have 8 plus 1. So this is 9 over 12. Or this is 3/4. Okay? So for the S sub n, so in which this is the partial sum, we have U sub 1 plus U sub 2 plus U sub 3 plus, so we have U sub n, ay, photograph sa U sub n, in which ang U sub 1, we have 1/2, U sub 2, this is 1 over 6, U sub 3, this is 1 over 12, and this is 1 over n times n plus 1. Okay? So, ang buhaton na to ani class is ato ning i-generalize ang S sub n. So, unsaon man siya. Okay? So, actually, dili ni siya applicable sa tanan. So, naay mga times nga mga series nga magamit nato siya using the partial fraction. So, ang atong i-partial fraction is ani. Okay? So, 1 over n times n plus 1. So, this is a over n plus b over n plus 1. Okay, so we multiply for its LCD. We have n times n plus 1. So, we have 1 which is equal to a times n plus 1 plus bn. Okay, so solve for a and b. So, when n is negative 1, so we have 1 is equal to b. Okay? And then when n is 0, so we have 1 is equal to a. Okay? So from this one, we can write this as 1 over n times n plus 1 is equal to, ang a is 1, so we have 1 over n minus, so b over n plus 1. So meaning class, ay b na naman. 1 over n plus 1. So meaning mauni ang formula for S sub n. So this is S sub n. We have 1 over n minus 1 over n plus 1. Okay? So actually from this, we can substitute the values. So for the S sub n, so when n is 1, so this is equal to 1 minus 1/2. So plus, so when n is 2, we have 1/2 minus 1/3. Okay? So, anita na base ha. And then when n is 3, so we have plus 1/3. So, ito lang pang close parenthesis. When n is 3 is 1/3 minus 1/4. So, and so on. So, adto ta sa S sub n. So, we have 1 over n minus 1 over n plus 1. So, ang before ani, so when n is n minus 1, n equals n minus 1. So, kaniha, this is n, and then ang before ani is n minus 1. So, we have 1 over n minus 1 minus 1 over n. So, unsa man nato na observe? So, makancel ra ni siya, no? So, we have 1/2, makancel ani 1/3, makancel ani, ang 1/4, makancel ni sa next. Ang 1 over n, makancel ani, and then ang 1 over n minus 1, makancel ani within. This is equal to 1 minus 1 over n plus 1, in which this is the formula for S sub n, where your series is equal to the sum of 1 over n plus n times n plus 1, where n equals 1 to the infinity. So mauni ang sum of the partial sum of the sequence u sub n. Okay? So magamit jud ta ani og partial fraction. So ang goal ani class is dapat ang mahabilin is ang first, in which this one, o ang last. Okay? Mga cancel na ang 8. So, nganong mag-ana mag It's because of the theorem. Okay? Definition di ay. So, if we have u sub n, so denote the given infinite series for which S sub n is the sequence of partial sum. So, kaning u sub n plus, so mauning sum of 1 over n times n plus 1. And then, ang S sub n is a sequence of partial sum. So, mauni. Okay, so ang na-form ani, so we have S sub 1, S sub 2, and then we have S sub n. So, this is the sequence of the partial sum. So, if the limit of S sub n, so kaning S sub n, so mauni atong S sub n, 1 minus 1 over n plus 1. So, ang gihimo ha, so we have the given u sub n, so the sum of u sub n as n equals 1 to the infinity. So, atong goal, gipangita na to si S sub n. So, kana si S sub n, mao na ang partial sum. So, mauni kani. Okay? So, ang atong gihimo, nagamit ta og partial fraction ani 1 over n times n plus 1, in which nakaresult ta og kani. Wait sa, nani something. This is the sum of n equals 1 to infinity. So, 1 over n minus 1 over n plus 1. Okay? So, ang atong gihimo ani from this one, so gi-expand na to, and then atong goal is ma-cancel ang within. So, ang nahabilin is ang 1 minus 1 over n plus 1. So, from this, so we have the definition. If the limit of S sub n as n approaches infinity exists and is equal to S, then the series is convergent and S is the sum of the series. Okay? So, atong kwaon ang limit ani, so we have the limit of S sub n, so is equal to the limit of 1 minus 1 over n plus 1. So, as n approaches positive infinity. As n approaches positive infinity. And the limit is equal to 1. Kay 1 over n plus 1, this is just equal to 0. Okay? So, since the limit exists, so we can imply that the series is convergent and the sum is equal to 1. Okay? So, ang sum kuno aning 1 over n times n plus 1, where n equals 1 to infinity, is equal to 1 using the definition. So, if ang S sub n, so if we find the limit of S sub n, and then the limit does not exist, so meaning na infinity ang iyahang result nga limit. So meaning ana class, the series is divergent. Okay? And the series does not have a sum. Kay possible man nga infinity ang result. So wa siya katapusan to. Dili nimo makuha ang sum sa series. Okay? Pero di siya all the time class nga makuha na to ani using the partial sum. Unang ang atong goal na lang ani, so kanira nga example nga makuha na to ang sum. Pero naay mga lisod gid kay nga series. So ang atong goal na lang ani is to determine if it is convergent or divergent. So if convergent siya, So kahibaw ta nga ni-exist ang sum, pero wa ta kahibaw kung unsa gid ang exact value sa sum sa series. Okay, so maura na definition sa convergent o divergent. Convergent, meaning ni-exist si sum. Okay? Divergent, wala. Okay ha? So, please take note, kaning partial fraction, so dili ni siya ma-apply sa tanan. Mostly, nga nira ni nga example, ma-apply. Okay? So, our goal is to determine if the series is convergent or divergent. Okay? So, we have the first theorem. So, if the infinite series U sub n is convergent, then, so ang goal na to ni class kaning U sub n, so mauni siya na, kaning 1 over n times n plus 1. So, kung convergent daw the class, so the limit of U sub n is 0. Okay? Okay. So, actually, we can apply this theorem. Ang kapihon ang theorem ha. So, if U sub n, so n equals 1 to infinity is convergent. So, if, then, the limit of U sub n as n approaches infinity is equal to 0. Okay, but please take note, this is if then statement, meaning the converse is not true. So mutrura na siya if and only if. So nani siya sa set theory. So meaning dili ka ka-imply aniha. So ako lang siya matangag x. So if the limit of U sub n as n approaches positive infinity is 0, then U sub n, so the series U sub n, so is convergent. So meaning ani class, if the limit of U sub n is equal to 0, dili ka ka-imply nga ang series kay convergent. Kay ang statement diri, this is only if then. But ang contrapositive ani, okay, if. So atong kwaon ang negation. So we have P implies Q. This is equivalent to the negation of Q implies the negation of P. But P implies Q, this is not equivalent to Q implies P, in which mauning converse. Okay, so muna akong girongan ha. So, if magkuha mo sa limit na ang result sa 0, dili mo ka-imply nga ang series kay convergent. So, mangita mo another way. But, ani, so the negation of Q, so we have the limit of U sub n as n approaches positive infinity is not equal to 0, then the series U sub n, where n equals 1 to infinity, is divergent. So, mao ni atong magamit. Kay, ang P implies Q is equivalent to the negation of Q implies the negation of P. I think this is a contrapositive. But the converse, it's not true. Only hi, remember ha? So, if U sub n is convergent, so tanang convergent class, ang limit is 0. Pero, dili tanang limit nga 0, convergent. Ora na meaning ana. Okay, so if we get for the contrapositive, so if the limit is not equal to 0, kana maka-imply ta nga ang U sub n is divergent. So, mauna ang rule sa P implies Q. Okay, so remember na ha, kanira itong magamit kanina i-check. So meaning, di na ta magkuha itong taas kayo na mangita pa ka sa partial sum nga S sub n, and then you find the limit and then solve for the limit, and then if the limit exists, it's convergent. If not, so it's divergent. Nataas ka ito nga way kay magamit pa tag partial fraction, in which nagi time nga ang partial fraction kay taas kay na siya. Okay? Sige, we will apply this theorem. Okay, so we need to determine whether the series is convergent or divergent. Muna mag-picture ani class? Hello?
Mana, miss?
Okay. So we have the summation of n squared plus 1 over n squared, where n equals 1 to infinity. Okay, so this is our u sub n. So we need to find the limit. So we have the limit of u sub n as n approaches positive infinity. So fixed gini class hang ang atong gipangita is as n approaches positive infinity because this is infinite series. Okay, so we have the limit of n squared plus 1 over n squared as n approaches positive infinity. Sa gani limit ani? Kaning n squared plus 1 over n squared? Hello?
1.
Okay, this is equal to 1. Okay, so since the limit is equal to 1, which is not equal to 0, so thus, the series n squared plus 1 over n squared as n equals 1 to infinity is divergent. Nga na siya class. Mana. Basta ma-show ninyo nga dili siya equal to 0, mag-kuan din ta. Thus, the series is divergent. Pero equal gina siya sa 0 class, munang mangita pagimog another way para ma-solve. So actually mo ni ang usa sa pinaka-simple nga theorem no nga ma-apply. So another, we have the series of 4n squared minus n cubed over 10 plus 2n cubed, where n equals 1 to infinity. So we have the limit of u sub n as n approaches positive infinity. So we have the limit, so our u sub n, so money, we have 4n squared minus n cubed over 10 plus 2n cubed as n approaches positive infinity. Okay, what's the limit? Class.
Negative 1 half.
Okay, this is negative 1 half. Okay, remember ha, kato kong gidiscuss, katong sa power niya, the degree. If the degree of numerator and denominator is equal, so meaning ang degree, ang pinakadako nga power sa numerator or sa denominator. If the degree is equal, so kwaon na nimo ang coefficients, mao na ang limit. If the degree sa denominator kay dako pa sa numerator, so it's equal to 0. Pero applicable na ni siya ha, sa kani limits at infinity. Okay? So, another, we have the harmonic series. So, this is equal to 1 over n. So, n equals 1 to infinity. So, ang harmonic is divergent. So, if namoy mga nakitaan nga yung ani nga form, so automatic, this is divergent. Awa. So, sa kaning example class, kung kwaon na to ang limit sa 1 over n, this is equal to 0. Okay, so meaning, di kita ka-imply nga tanan na limit nga 0 kay convergent. Muna mangita pa tag another way. Pero katong not equals to 0, automatic. So, it is divergent. So, another, we have the geometric series of the form. So, we have AR to the power of n minus 1. And then, we have n equals 1 to infinity. So, ang atong kwaon na class is ang R. So, mao iyang basis. Okay, kani? If ang absolute value sa R is less than 1, meaning this is convergent. If R is greater than or equal to 1, divergent. Okay, so if convergent, so ang sum is A over 1 minus R. This is the sum. Okay, so makuha nimo ang sum for the geometric series. Okay, so mao niyang form ha. We have A plus AR plus AR squared and so on. Okay, so example, we need to determine the series is convergent or divergent. So we have n equals 1 to infinity. We have 1 over 2 to the power of n. So ang atong goal ani class, inganiun na tong form. So kani, so pwede na to ma-write as 1 half to the power of n. Okay? So, ang buhaton ani, so atong pangitaon si R, in which si R diri is 1 half. So, we have 1 half. This is less than 1. Okay, so we can imply, so the series n equals 1 to infinity, 1 over 2 to the n is convergent. So, nga na siya class ang R ang inyuhang i-determine for geometric series. Question? Walay question? Sige, another example, we have n equals 1 to infinity. We have 9, we have negative n plus 2, and then we have 4 to the power of n plus 1. Okay, so ang buhaton na to ani class, so dapat ing ani nga form. Okay? Nga mo goal ta o power of n minus 1. So kani, so pwede na to siya ma-write as ang 9. Ito siyang ipanglahi-lahi ha. Ang 4, ang 4. So ang 9, so pwede ni siya as negative n plus 1. So ang mahabilin, we have this is 1. Okay, this is negative n plus 1 plus 1. This is negative n plus 2. Ang 4, we have n minus 1 and then this is 2. Okay? So we have, pwede na ito ma-write as n equals 1 to infinity. So this is 9 times 16. So that's morning 16 ha. And then we have 4 to the power of n minus 1 over, so kaning 9, pwede na to siya makuan sa denominator. So we have n minus 1. Okay, so this is equal to, so 16 times 9, this is 144. and then 4 over 9 to the power of n minus 1. So, nakaabot na to ani nga form. So, meaning, this is our r. Ay, wait sa, balik ha. Kani diri, so pwede din na to ma-write as 1 half times 1 half to the power of n minus 1. So, n equals 1 to infinity. In which, the same lagi hapon. So, ang r, this is 1 half, which is less than 1. Okay? So, this is still convergent. So, kung kwaon na to ang sum ani, so kani, we have ang a. So, this is 1 half. So, the sum. So, the sum is, we have, so na lang ha, 1 over n. So, n equals 1 to infinity. So, we have a. So, ang a na to dere, we have 1 half. Kani. And then, 1 minus. So, ang r is 1 half. So, this is 1 half over 1 half. This is equal to 1. So, meaning, kani nga series is equal to 1. So, ang goal ani is dapat ing ani ang form. We have ar to the power of n minus 1, where n equals 1 to infinity. If nag-start ka ni siya sa 2, so mag-index shifting pa mo before mo maka-evaluate. Okay? So, this one, so ang a dire, it's equal to 144, and then ang r is 4 over 9. In which, if atong kuha ng absolute value, so it's still 4 over 9, which is less than 1. So, this can imply this is convergent. And then the series, so so we have a is 144 all over 1 minus 4 over 9. Okay, so we have 144 over 5 over 9. So this is, pila man yung 144 times 9. This is 36, this is 39. So 1296 over 5. Okay, so thus, so the series negative 9 to the power of n plus 2, and then we have 4 to the power of n plus 1, where n equals 1 to infinity, is convergent, and the sum is 1296 over 5. Okay? Please go picture. So, if ang r gani class ha, greater than equal to 1, so automatic divergent. So, no need to solve for the sum kay wala na ni-exist. So, mao ni ha, ang technique for the geometric is dapat ato na siya i-write in terms of ar to the power of n minus 1, where n equals 1 to infinity. So, if nag-start ang index sa 2, so, ang inyong i-apply ana is mag-index shifting mo. And then, i-write ninyo in terms of ar to the power of n minus 1. So, if r is, the absolute value of r is less than 1, so it's convergent. If the absolute value of r is greater than or equal to 1, so the series is divergent. Okay, so actually class, daghan pa kayo magtibalaan na sa series. Okay, next. We have another theorem. So, if we have the series, so it's either convergent or divergent, and then, mura siya multiplyan og c, ang u sub n. So, if convergent sa class, so ang sum is c times s. Okay? If divergent ang u sub n, so ang c u sub n is also divergent. So, for example, so we have 1 over 4n. So, n equals 1 to infinity. So, pwede man na to ma-write as 1/4 times 1 over n. So n equals 1 to infinity. Okay? 1/4, this is our c, and then 1 over n, this is our u sub n. So, kaning u sub n, so pwede man na write as 1/4 of the summation of 1 over n equals 1 to infinity. And this 1 over n, this is a harmonic series. So, we can imply this is thus uh, the series 1 over 4n, n equals 1 to infinity, is divergent. So, yung ana ra ang meaning ana. So, mura kag nag-multiply. So, if we are given a convergent series and then na-multiply kag constant c, so ang iyahang if convergent, so the sum of that series times c. So, mura na yung result. If divergent, so ang multiplyan ko na nimog c, so mura lagi hapon na siya. So, ang result, it's also divergent. So, mura ang idea na classes, like nakay-sum 5. And then, nag-multiply ka constant c nga 5. So, 5 times 5 is 25. And then, for divergent, ang inyo i-remember na, so mura kag infinity. Mag-multiply kag constant ka 5. So, 5 times infinity, it's still infinity. So, money ang idea sa kaning theorem. Okay? Another theorem. So, if naa kano kay duha ka convergent na series, so ang sum, it's still convergent. So, example, for this, we have this one, ang a sub n, so ang sum is s. And then, ang b sub n, the sum is t. So, kung i-add din nato class, so ang result is s plus t. If difference, it's s minus t. So, yung ano lang yung idea. Next. Okay. If naa kuno tay series na convergent ang isa, na ang isa divergent, so ang sum niya or difference is divergent. Kay mura lang ang idea ni class, we have 2 plus infinity, the result is infinity. So meaning, kanon running ni divergent convergent. So money ang idea sa kanina theorem. Remember ha, mura kag nag plus o infinity o like example, positive 1. So 1, that is the convergence, so that is the sum of the series. And then ang isa katong infinity, it's the divergent. So 1 plus infinity is infinity. So the result is still divergent. So another theorem, so ma-apply ninyo ang mga theorem class during the exam. Okay? So we have if naatay duha ka series, and then nag-differ na siya og pila ka terms. So kung convergent to ang murag original nga term, so it's still S-hill. May question? Wala? Okay, balik ta. So naatay duha ka series, and then nag-differ siya og mga terms. Kung convergent ang original, so ang katong nag-differ po convergent. If divergent, so divergent sad ang katong nag-differ. So for this example, so we have the summation of 1 over n plus 4, and then n to infinity. So, kung imo na siya i-compare sa n equals, ito sa na-expand. This is 1/5 plus 1 over 6 plus 1 over 7 and so on. Okay? So, actually, this is doon ni siya sa n, the summation of 1 over n, in which this is 1 plus 1/2 plus 1/3 plus 1/4 plus 1/5 plus 1 over 6 plus 1 over 7 and so on. So, ang difference na nila class is kani. Okay? So, based sa theorem, so since gamay n terms na ang difference, so ang kaning 1 over n plus 4, this is divergent. So, yung ang meaning sa theorem. Okay? Kaganda-ganda itag-discuss karon class. So, kasabot ra ko nga hangak pa dyan. Okay, so we have the test for convergence. So, katong gidiscuss na to ganiha, it's more on theorems. So, now, maggamit tag mga test. Okay, kani ako na ning gidiscuss. Mao ni siyang if the limit sa u sub n is not equal to 0, meaning the series is divergent. Okay? If the limit sa u sub n is 0, so no conclusion can be made. So we have the P series test. So if k is greater than 0, then so we have the series 1 over n to the p converges if p is greater than 1. So if p is less than or equal to 1, so it's divergent. So actually, mo na pinakasayon nga test. Kaya kwaon na nimo ang p, in which ang power. Okay, so for example, we have 1 over n. So ang 1 over n, so we have n to the power of 1. Ansam ng 1. So belong siya ani nga p. So meaning, pa-imply ta nga this is divergent. Actually, kaning 1 over n, so this is the harmonic series. Next, we have 1 over the square root of n. Ang kaning square root of n, pwede man nina to ma-write as n to the 1 half. So, 1 over n to the 1 half. Our p is equal to 1 half. So, ang 1 half, so balik ta, ang 1 half na belong siya ani. Kaning p is less than or equal to 1. So, imply ta nga, the series is divergent. Another, so we have 1 over n cubed. So our p here is 3. Now p is greater than 1. So we can imply that the series is convergent. So yung ana siya class. So muna yung pinakasayon nga test. Pero given ha, yung ani ra nga form ang gigamit. Okay? So we have the integral test. So from the word itself, integral. Pero wait sa class ha, CR sa ko. Kung ano sa ninyo basahan? Mga 10 minutes. Okay, so balik ta. So for the integral test, we need to show first na the function is continuous, decreasing, and positive value. So for the positive value no, kay we need to check na positive lang gid ang iyahang result for all x greater than equal to 1. And kaning continuous, so matong the limit of f of x as x approaches a is equal to f of a, and then decreasing, so pagamay ang iyahang kon. But now, focus lang ta sa kaning limit. Okay, so we have the sum. So by integral test, this is just equal to the integration. So ato ning gamiton ang improper integral. 1 to the infinity, so f of x dx. Okay? So for example, so we have the series n e to the negative n squared, where n equals 1 to the infinity. So we can, by integral test, okay, so this is the integration of n e to the negative n squared, so 1 to the, okay, so So by improper integral, this is the limit. So we have b approaches positive infinity. So integration from 1 to b. And then we have, this is bn. Ay, sorry. Ato din siyang ilisan in terms of x. We have x e to the negative x squared dx. So this is the limit. So as b approaches positive infinity, so we have 1 to b. And then we have x e to the negative x squared dx. Okay, for this, we let u be equal to minus x squared. So we have du is negative 2x dx. So this is du over negative 2, which is equal to x dx. So we have the limit as b approaches positive infinity. So we have 1 to b. So this is e to the u, and then x dx, this is du over negative 2. Okay, so this is negative 1/2. So e to the u. So evaluated from 1 to b. So this is the limit of b approaches infinity. So this is positive. So first we evaluate for b. So we have negative 1 e to the b minus, this is 1/2 e. Okay, so this one as limit. So e to the b as b approaches infinity, this is positive infinity. So we have positive infinity times negative 1/2. This is still positive infinity. Okay, ay, result mo negative din no kay product ni. We have negative infinity, so minus 1/2 e. This is negative infinity. So since the limit is a negative infinity, so the limit thus, so the sum of n equals 1 to infinity n e to the negative n squared is divergent. So, nga na siya class. So, ang problem ani is nakalimot na mo sa integration. Okay? So, another technique. So, duha pa to, no? We have the p-series and the integral test. We have another is the comparison test. So, let the series, so natay given series which is u sub n, no? We have n equals 1 to infinity. So, be a series of positive terms. So, from the word comparison, so meaning ani class, mangita ta og series. Nga, mga known nga series. Nga kahibaw ta nga convergent or divergent. So, i-apply na tong mga theorem. So, katong harmonic, geometric is ma-apply to siya. Okay? So, for the first, so nahibaw na to. So, naatay v sub n, in which mauni ang ato ang mga known to be convergent. Okay? So, ma-imply na to si u sub n nga convergent if kaniha given siya ang v sub n. And then, i-show ni nato nga ang u sub n is less than or equal to v sub n. Okay? For divergent, so we have the w sub n. So, kani po na nga itong issue. Ang u sub n is greater than or equal to w sub n. Okay? So, for example, so we have 4 over 3 to the n plus 1. Okay, so we have n equals 1 to infinity. And then we have 4 over 3 to the n plus 1. So, ang strategy ani class, so mangita mo, so mauni atong u sub n. So, mangita tag another series. Okay? So, ang another series, most of the time class, gikan na siya ani. Okay? So, ang atong strategy ani is sa numerator o sa denominator. So, kwaon na to ang pinakadako o degree sa numerator o denominator. Okay? So, since sa numerator, usara man nila, so copy the 4. And then, for the denominator, so kwaon na to ang pinakadako. So, we have 3 to the n. So, meaning, ani class, maunan ni ato ang it's either the w sub n or the b sub n. So, ato pa ni show nga convergent or divergent. Pero ideally, kani, this is convergent. So, if naka-familiar mo, this is, pwede na to siya ma-write as 4. This is 1/3 to the power of n, in which this is 4 times 1/3 times 1/3 to the power of n minus 1, in which this is geometric. And then the r here is 1/3. So since the absolute value of r, which is 1/3, is less than 1, so this is convergent. Okay, so we need to show, so first, so ang atong buhaton ani dapat, unsa man ni ang nader for convergent. Dapat si dako si v sub n. So meaning dako ni si 3n. So ang atong buhaton ani, so we have 3n plus 1 o ang 3 to the n. Okay? So, based on this given, mas dako gini si 3 to the n plus 1 kaysa ni 3 to the n. Okay? And then next, so ato ni siyang ibutang sa denominator. So, we have 1 over 3 to the n plus 1. And then we have 1 over 3 to the n. So, kung kabantay mo, we have 1 o 2 and then 1 lang may 2 ug 3, di ba dako si 3. Pero kung ato ni siyang himuong denominator ang 2 ug 3, sumabali ang kani. Mahimo na siyang dako si 1/2. So the same sad ang idea ani. So we have greater than or equal. So mabali ang sign. And then we multiply by 4. So this is 4 over 3 to the n plus 1 is greater than or equal to 4 over 3 to the n. So since mauman ni ato ang u sub n, and then this is our v sub n, and then our v sub n is convergent, so thus, by comparison test, by comparison test, so the sum of 4 over 3 to the n plus 1, where n equals 1 to infinity, is convergent. So, yan na siya. Okay, please go picture. Okay na?
Okay, miss.
Okay, another kanilang number 5. So we have n equals 1 to infinity. So we have n squared over n cubed minus 3. Okay? So for the, we compare nato nino. So we need to find the atong i-compare. So paon na to ang degree, pinakadakong degree in which this is n squared over n cubed. So we simplify, this is 1 over n, where n equals 1 to infinity. Okay? This 1 over n, where n equals 1 to infinity, this is known to be divergent. Okay, so this is the sa mga series. This is the harmonic series. Okay, so first we compare the n cubed minus 3 and the n cubed. Okay, so since di minusan man ni 3 no, so we're sure no nga dako gid si n cubed. Okay? And then next, so ato siyang ibutang sa denominator. So we have 1 over n cubed minus 3. Okay? And then this is ma-change na ni ang sign. We have greater than or equal to 1 over n cubed. Okay? Next, so we multiply both sides by n squared. So this is n squared over n cubed minus 3 is greater than or equal to n squared over n cubed, in which ang n squared over n cubed, this is 1 over n. So, thus, so this is our u sub n, and then this is our w sub n. So, mas dako si u sub n. So, ato check. Kaysa ni w sub n, and then u sub n is divergent. W sub n, so this is our w sub n. So, this is divergent. So, thus, so we have n squared over n cubed minus 3, where n equals 1 to infinity, is divergent. So, manay ang idea sa comparison test. So, mangita mong series nga known to be divergent or convergent. So, mostly class mo ng 1 over n squared, 1 over n. So, ang 1 over n squared, this is convergent by p series. Ang 1 over n is divergent. So, this is a harmonic series or angeometric. Mostly, ana na siya ana mo mangita og comparison. So, next, so we have the limit comparison test. So, from the word limit and then comparison, so mangita gihapon mo og series nga known to be convergent or divergent. And then instead nga, di ba, atong gigamit sa normal nga comparison test is na-compare tano if it is greater than or equal or less than or equal. Okay? So, for the limit comparison test, so magpapay na ta og limit. Okay? So, diri class, so we have the limit of u sub n. So, mauni ang given, and then the v sub n, no, na to pangitaon nga series, no, nga known to be convergent or divergent. So, if the limit is greater than 0, so then the series either convergent or divergent. So, meaning, ana class, kung converge, ato siyang kwaon ang limit, greater than 0 ang result. So, if the katong ato ang gi-compare nga b sub n is convergent, ka-imply sa ta nga ang u sub n is convergent. Or ang katong atong gi-choose nga b sub n is divergent, maka-imply sa ta nga u sub n is divergent. Okay? So, if ang limit kay 0, so, and then the v sub n is convergent, then ang u sub n is also convergent. And then we have if the limit is infinity, then the v sub n is also divergent. So, divergence at c, u sub n. Okay. So, for example, kanilang number 2. We have the series equals 4n squared minus n all over n cubed plus 9, where n equals 1 to infinity. Okay? So, mangita tag series. So, same idea class. So, kwaon ninyo ang pinakadako. So, we have this one. This is 4n squared over n cubed, which is this is 4 over n, where n equals 1 to the infinity. Okay? Or this is 4 summation of 1 over n. So, n equals 1 to the infinity. So, kani, this is divergent. This is the harmonic series. Okay, so ang buhaton, so we have the limit of u sub n, v sub n, as n approaches positive infinity. We have the limit, so our u sub n, this is 4n squared minus n over n cubed plus 9 all over. So ang v sub n na to, so pwede rin yung 4 over n. So as n approaches positive infinity. Okay, so we simplify. This is the limit of as n approaches positive infinity. So we have 4n squared minus n over n cubed plus 9 times n over 4. Okay, so we have the limit as n approaches positive infinity. So we have 4n cubed minus n squared all over. So we have 4n cubed plus 36. Okay? Sa may limit ani class. The limit is equal to, hello? Say limit? Class? Hello? Say limit ani?
1.
Say limit sa 4n cubed minus n squared over 4n cubed plus 36.
1, miss.
Okay, it's equal to 1. Okay? So, balik ta sa limit comparison test. So, since the limit is greater than 0, so, ang ma-apply ani is number 1. Okay? So, since ma-apply ang number 1, and then ang v sub n na to is divergent, so, the u sub n is also divergent. So, thus, by limit comparison test, the series 4n squared minus n over n cubed plus 9 as n equals 1 to infinity is divergent. Okay? So actually class, kung ako like ko ano no, mas sayon si limit comparison kaysa ni comparison. Kaysa comparison manggod, like in ani nga example, so lisod rin siya i-show nga this is greater than or equal to 4 of n. So more on, ang applicable sa comparison is ang katong numerator kay singular siya, dili siya binomial, so mura siya monomial ang numerator. Okay? So, I think para na ko it's better to use the limit comparison. Pero depende ninyo kung unsa inyong ganahan. So, katuha ang technique, baon ninyo ang pinakadakong degree sa numerator and the denominator. So, mao na ang inyong it's either the v sub n or the w sub n for the comparison test. Okay, so number 3. So, kuan ani, v sub n is the square root of 2, 1 times 1 over n. Okay, nga, 1 over n cubed. So we have this is n equals 1 to infinity. So the square root of 2n squared plus 4n plus 1 all over. So n cubed plus 9. So, ang denominator, so ideally it's n cubed. Ang sa numerator, so ang pinakadakuan is so the square root of 2n squared, where n equals 1 to infinity. So here, pwede mo na ito ma-simplify ang n squared. So square root of n squared is n over n cubed times the square root of 2. n equals 1 to infinity. And then, so we can simplify this. This is square root of 2. So the sum of 1 over n squared. So where n equals 1 to infinity. So kaning 1 over n squared, this is convergent because of the P-series test. Nga as long as n is greater than or equal to 1, n is greater than 1, why labot ang 1. So the series is convergent. Okay, nakuha ninyo ang limit ani. So maka-imply mo ani nga this series is also convergent. So ang limit ani o kani is equal to 1. So di na ko i-show ha kay gamay na tagtan. Okay, so we have the alternating series test. So from the word alternating, meaning nag-alternate siya na, we have positive, negative, positive, negative. Suppose we have the alternating series, negative 1 to the power of n plus 1 a sub n, where a sub n is greater than 0. So if the limit of a sub n is 0, the alternating series is convergent. So sa kaning given class, so we have n equals 1 to infinity. We have negative 1 to the power of n plus 1, and then a sub n. So kaning negative 1 to the power of n plus 1 a sub n. So mauni atong u sub n. So we have negative 1 to the power of n plus 1 a sub n. So appeal siya. So ay mo ka ano ni ha, ka-confuse ha. Kay sa u sub n ba ya, kung ang limit kay 0, so di ka ka-imply nga convergent. Pero sa kaning alternating series test, ang a sub n ang gi-evaluate. Dili ang whole u sub n. So walay labot si negative 1 to the power of n plus 1 ang sa pag-evaluate. Okay? So from this one, so we determine if the series is convergent or divergent. So from number 1, so ang limit aning 1 over n is 0. So kaning number 1, this is convergent. Okay? Pero di ba ang 1 over n, why labot ng negative 1 to the n? Divergent. So careful mo anak. Number 2, so for the alternating series, the limit for number 2, so this is n over n squared. So the limit is 0. So this is still a convergent. Same with number 3. So the limit of 1 over n cubed plus 1 as n approaches positive infinity is still 0. Okay, ang the degree of the denominator is greater than the degree of the numerator. So the same ang 1, 2, and 3. So 1, 2, 3 is convergent because of the alternating series test. Pero kung wala ning negative 1 to the n, so dili jud ka ka-imply nga kaning 1, 2, 3 convergent. So since alternating man ni tungod ni sa negative 1 to the n, so this is convergent. Okay, we have another definition. So we have the absolute and the conditionally convergent. So ang absolute convergent, so if we have u sub n is absolutely convergent if the series u sub n is convergent. Okay, so meaning ana, kung makuha ka sa absolute value sa u sub n, katong negative 1 to the n plus 1. Positive na to because of the absolute value. So, ikuha nimo as sa absolute value if convergent gihapon ang result. So, ang maka-imply ta by this definition nga ang u sub n is absolutely convergent. Okay, another definition, a series that is convergent but not absolutely convergent is conditionally convergent. Okay, so balik ta ani nga example. Okay, so kaning number 1, we have negative 1 to the n, 1 over n. So, this is convergent. Pero kung ato ni i-check kung this is absolute or conditional, so kwaon na tong absolute value. So, ang absolute value sa 1 over n, ako'y right ha. Okay, so we have negative 1 to the n, 1 over n, as n equals 1 to infinity. So, by alternating series test, this is convergent. Okay? Pero ang convergent, na siya 2 types. So, absolute o conditional. So, ato ni i-check. So, ang absolute value of negative 1 to the n over 1 over n is 1 over n. And then, this is divergent. So, meaning, ang negative 1 to the n over 1 to the n, this is conditionally convergent. So, mao na yung meaning niya sa absolute o conditional. So, ang absolute gid class, bisag kwaon nimo ang absolute value, convergent dapat ang result para absolute. Pero, if ang alternating series is kung kwaan nimo ang absolute value ang kaninga series, and then ang result is divergent, so, ang tawag niya is conditionally convergent. Okay? So, ang number 2, solve ang number 2. So, we have n equals 1 to infinity, negative 1 to the n, and then we have n plus 2 over n squared plus n. Okay? So, by alternating series test, the series is convergent. Okay, na ato i-check kung absolute ba siya or conditional. So, we have ang absolute value niya, we have, this is absolute value of u sub n is equal to n plus 2 over n squared plus n, where n equals 1 to infinity. So, by this one, so, magamit ta og limit comparison. Ano? So, here, this is our, compare na to. So, we have n equals 1 to the infinity. So, this is n over n squared, which is, this is equal to 1 over n. So, n equals 1 to infinity. And then, if ato ni siyang kuwaon ng limit, so, u sub n over v sub n. So, this is our u sub n, and then this is our v sub n. So, as n approaches positive infinity, so we have, this is the limit as n approaches positive infinity. Our u sub n, this is n plus 2 over n squared plus n, all over 1 over n. So, we have the limit as n approaches positive infinity. So, we have, mahimo na siyang n squared plus 2n over n squared plus n, in which the limit is equal to 1. So, by limit comparison test, so nabilong ni siya sa number 1. It's either both series is convergent or divergent. So since ang ato ang gi-compare nga series is divergent, so this is also divergent. So this one, this is conditionally. Convergent. Okay? So nga na pag-decide ha. Pero ang divergent class, automatic divergent na siya. Wala na siya absolute o conditional. Okay, if the series, so the absolute value is convergent, then the series is also convergent. Huwag na ako na sa paninani siya negative 1 to the power of n plus. Okay? Hapit na tapos. Iwan na lang. So we have the ratio test. So from the word ratio, so i-compare na to siya, no? So we have, we let u sub n be a given infinite series for which u sub n is non-zero. So ang ratio class, difference niya sa comparison, dili na ka mangita og series. Okay? So ang gibuhat ka for ratio test is naka u sub n. So kuang ra nimo ang n plus 1. And then you solve for the limit. So if the limit is less than 1, so the series is absolutely convergent. If greater than 1 or the limit is infinity, so the series is divergent. If the limit of the absolute value of u sub n plus 1 over u sub n is 1, so no conclusion regarding convergence may be made from this test. So meaning ana class, kung ang limit is equal to 1, so dili ka ka-apply sa ratio test. Okay? Wala siya ma-imply. So meaning ana, magita na po kag another test to solve. To show that the series is convergent or divergent. Okay? For example, kanila tang number 2. Okay, so we have negative 1 to the n, and then n plus 2 over n times n plus 1. We have as n equals 1 to infinity. So we need to find the limit of absolute value of u sub n plus 1 over u sub n as n approaches positive infinity. Okay, so we solve for the limit. Okay, so for u sub n plus 1, so kani class, mo niya itong u sub n. So we have plus 1, so add na na to plus 1, so we have negative 1 to the power of n plus 1, and then we have n plus 1 plus 2 all over, so n plus 1 times n plus 1 plus 1 all over, so this is negative 1 to the n, so n plus 2 over n times n plus 1. Okay, so we have the limit as n approaches positive infinity. So we simplify. So absolute value. So ang negative 1 to the n plus 1 over negative 1, this is negative 1. Then this is n plus 3 over n plus 1 over n plus 2. Okay, so times, so ito na ni Edith. So we have n squared plus 1 over n plus 2. So, ang absolute value ni mawa na ng negative. So, we have the limit as n approaches positive infinity. So, we have n plus 3 times n squared plus 1 all over. So this is n plus 1 times n plus 2 times n plus 3. Okay. So from this, so ang buhaton ani sa limit class, di ninyo i-expand ha. Paa ang pinakadako nga power. So for the numerator, so ang pinakadako nga power dire is 3. For denominator, so nag-3 siya because n times n squared, which is n cubed. For the denominator, so we have n times n times n, so we have n cubed. So n cubed over n cubed is equal to 1. So the limit is equal to 1. So by ratio test, so dili ta kaakoy. Sa ratio test kay equal to 1. So meaning, magamit lang sa ta og another test to solve this series. Okay? So, n plus 2n squared. Okay. So, ato tong gamiton ang alternating series test. So, the absolute value, so this is our a sub n. So, the limit of a sub n. So, dito ka-apply sa ratio test niya kay equal to 1. So, nita tag another way. So, we have the limit of a sub n. So, ang a sub n, mao ni siya ha. So, as n approaches positive infinity, is equal to the limit of n plus 2 over this is n squared plus n as n approaches positive infinity. So, this is the limit is 0. So, by alternating series test, this is convergent. Pero we need to check if this is absolute or conditional. So, for the conditional, so we have n plus 2 over n squared plus 1. So, where n equals 1 to infinity. So, we can apply a limit comparison test. For this one, this is, waon na to ang pinakadako. So, we have n over n squared, which is 1 over n. So, ideally, kung waon na to ang limit, this is, the limit is 1. So, since the limit is 1 and then this is divergent, so we have this one is conditionally convergent. Okay? So, dili day ma-apply na to ang ratio test sa kaning given. Sige, mo try tag another one. Ngayon, magamit na niyo. Ato daw ni try number 3. So, we have n equals 1 to infinity. So, we have 2n factorial. And then, we have 5n plus 1. So, we have the limit of u sub n plus 1 over u sub n as n approaches positive infinity. So, we have the limit. So, ang u sub n plus 1. So, this is 2 times n plus 1 factorial all over 5n. So, this is plus 1 all over. So, as limit, as n approaches positive infinity, so this is 2n factorial over 5n plus 1. So, we simplify. This is the limit as n approaches positive infinity. So, we have, this is 2n plus 2 factorial all over, so this is 5n plus 6 because n plus 1 times 5, this is 5n plus 5 plus 1. So, 5n plus 6, so times, so this is 5n plus 1 over 2n factorial. Okay, so kung ato ni siya i-expand ang 2n factorial at 2n plus 2 factorial, this is 2n plus 2 times 2n plus 1 times 2n factorial. In which, pwede na ito makancel. We have the limit as n approaches positive infinity. So, this is, mawa na ning absolute value kay this is positive man. So, we have 2n plus 2 times 2n plus 1 times 5n plus 1 all over 5n plus 6. Okay? So, ang pinakadako nga degree for the numerator is n cubed. Okay, because of 2n times 2n times 5n, and then the degree of the denominator is 1. So, this is equal to positive infinity. So, balik ta. Okay? So, since the limit is equal to the positive infinity, so the series is divergent. Okay? Ang problem na gid ani class kung equal to 1. Kay digi mo ka-apply aning ratio test. So, kung naa gani given ng mga factorial, so ang i-apply ninyo ana is ratio test kay wala mo tay mga existing series no nga related to n factorial. So, dili ta ka-apply o limit comparison test or comparison test for this if ang given kay this one, the factorial. Okay? So, I think last na ni. So, another, we have root test. So, from the word root, so, makuha ta og nth root. Okay? So, this one, so, no need sa ni o comparison nga series. Okay? So, kuhaon na to ang nth root. Okay? So, if ang limit is less than 1, so, ideally class, ang iyahang dali ra ni siya pag-remember kay the same ra ni siya og property sa ratio. So, ang difference lang sa ratio o sa root is, ang ratio, nagkuhag ratio, ang root, nagkuhag nth root. Na same ra ni siya kung less than 1, so absolutely convergent, greater than 1, so divergent, na equal to 1, mo dyan yung pinakamalas class, okay? Mangita na po mo another technique. So, meaning, dili applicable si root test kung ang limit is equal to 1. So, muna akong giingon nyo pag calculus 1 class, nga ayaw jud ninyo kalimti ang limit kay naagi ni siya sa calculus 1, 2, and 3. Okay? So, we have an example. So, example number 1. So, kanisang sa root test, so, ma-apply ninyo class if ang given kay ang aning nga form. Okay? So, let n to the n, 1 plus 2 to the n. So, we have n equals 1 to the infinity. This is n to the n over 3 to the power of 1 plus 2 to the n. Okay? From the root test, this is the limit of the nth root of u sub n. So, as n approaches positive infinity, so we have the limit as n approaches positive infinity, so we have the nth root of n to the n all over 3 to the 1 plus 2n. Okay? So, we simplify. So, the limit as n approaches positive infinity. So, pwede na to siya ma-write as n to the n all over 3 to the 1 plus 2n to the power of 1/2. And then we distribute. So, we have the limit. This is n to the n. Give me 1/2. This is 1 over n. So, we have 1 over n all over 3 to the 1 plus 2 to the n times 1 over n. To the power of 1 over n. as n approaches positive infinity. So we have the limit as n approaches positive infinity. So this is n all over. This is 3. So we have 1 over n. So plus 2. So this is 1 over n. Kuwangan din yung absolute value. Pero the same na siya gusto. Kaya wala siya alternating. Okay, so we have n to the n. So this is n over 3. 1 over n. 0. 9. Okay. So we evaluate the limit. So the limit of the numerator, so as n approaches infinity, so n goes to infinity. Ano lang. Okay, positive infinity. Ang denominator, this is the limit of 1 over n as n approaches positive infinity. This is 0. So 0 plus 2 is 2. So 3 squared, this is 9. So more siya 19 times positive infinity. This is positive infinity. So this is divergent. By the limit is positive infinity. Okay? Question? Next question. So next meeting, Wednesday no, so muadto mig UP Cebu. Like whole day jud siya. So muhatag ra ko og home quiz. So tarungan ninyo ha. So ang ato ang finals will be on Monday. So the coverage is from atong vectors, vector value functions up to this one, up to series. Actually, sa BS Math kay ako pa sila discuss another topic kay para silang research pero since start naman no, so anhirat ako to sa series. Okay? May question? Wala? Okay, so makita tano on Monday na, so face to face. So God bless on your final exam. Makalingkawas na gyud mo sa calculus class. Wala na may calculus next semester. Okay, so napay wala ka attendance. So we have Lofranco, so 2 na lang. Napa?
Present,
We have
miss.
Boyles. Ako stop ha. Isa. Ang walay attendance, we have Boyles, Monies.
Present, miss.
Monies,
Present.
okay na for Lofranco. So we have Monies, Natural, Omulon, and Tubin. Wala?
Tubin,
Okay,
present.
so Tubin, okay. So wala gini si Monies, Natural, and Omulon. Okay, so kindly open your camera for documentation. Hindi isa pa ang nag-open. Guys, wala pa dyan nag-open class. Please ko open sa inyong camera. Lima pa yung nag-open. How about Archie, Memory? O, nang-lose naman na gini. Danica, Rage, Alfred. Sige na, kay last, kuha na lang na to, last online class for this semester. Pakita niyo yung beauty. Okay, so 1, 2, 3, smile. So I will send this to our group chat. Okay, so that's all for today. Goodbye, class.
Bye, Miss.
God
Thank
bless
you.
and finance.